Hi, my name's Dominic Daughtry, and I'm making this video because I wanted to show off to the people of Sundt the email template function in Bluebeam. The email template function in Bluebeam is an easy and efficient way of sending out, a boilerplate or repetitive tasks. Mainly, what I use as a project engineer, I use it to eliminate steps while processing RFIs and submittals and things like that, because any engineers or project managers, people on this side, they know that any project that you have, you're going to have a ton of RFIs and a ton of submittals. And being able to eliminate one or two steps during that process of transmitting it out to the project team, subcontractors, owners, IORs, and things like that, with our standard boilerplate or cover your butt language is really easy to do in Bluebeam. So I'm going to get right into it and I'm going to show you how to do it. So you can see right here I'm in Bluebeam and I have some of my RFIs in a Bluebeam Studio project. It doesn't matter if they're on the server, in a project, or a studio session. Doesn't really matter, right? For this video, I'm just going to pull something from the right here. I'll open this up and I've got RFI 19, and in a regular workflow, I would open up my email, I would go to the J drive, I would attach it, I would put my boilerplate language in there, and then I would email it out to a group of people. Well, if you have things like this, like RFIs or submittals, and you have a project team, and you're doing, like I said, these repetitive transmittals out to people, you have the ability to put in a template into Bluebeam, and it will automatically populate the verbiage and the people you're sending it to. And if you go up to right here, so if you're in view, you go to, or view, file, edit, any of them, you'll go here to email and go to manage email templates, and it'll take you right here. And what you have here is your email template manager, and you're going to start on new right here. And because every RFI and every submittal is different, you don't put anything in the to unless you have a specific group of people. I'll leave that up to everybody else to decide. The CC for this video, I'm going to put my project team. So I'll pull up my project team. I have all our emails saved right here. So all I'm going to do is copy, and then I'm going to paste it into the CC right here. I'm going to leave the subject blank because whatever, when I put this, and you'll see at the very end, whatever the file name is, it will put that as the subject. For the message I have right here, I'll pull this Word document back up. This is my standard boilerplate, and it's just, hello team, see attached Cal State Channel Islands Westfall Project RFI 00XX. That's the only portion that I'm going to have to customize before I send this. I'm going to copy it all with my email signature, just a bunch of different boilerplate that we send out with every single RFI. I'm going to paste that into here, and you can see it populated all that. And I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to save this as my RFI transmittal. All right, so I have my RFI. I've got my template set up. All I have to do is press email RFI transmittal, and you can see right here it just populated everything, added all the emails in. I've got all my standard boilerplate, everything's in there with my email signature. It's attached it and automatically put the subject as the actual file name. Only extra step I have to do is change this 19, and then I'll email it to myself. And simple. And that is the way you do it. It's basically just a way of automating repetitive and standard processes that we do every day, cutting out, one or two steps. But over the long run, I mean, I've been on projects where we have 2,300, RFIs. And if you can save one or two steps on 2,300 things you do every day, that's huge time savings. It's definitely a 2-second lean best practice. I hope everybody enjoyed the video, and Have a great day. Thanks.